One drum, 1,000 solutions. Machine-Huan, over 15 years of plastic container manufacturing expertise. Our factory covers 50,000 square meters with 8 fully automated production lines. From raw material to finished product, every step is precision controlled. Precision punching, every hole is positioned within 0.5 millimeter tolerance. 100% leak testing, every drum passes air pressure inspection before leaving the factory. Smart weighing, consistent weight ensures perfect stacking and transport safety. Controlled cooling ensures structural integrity and dimensional accuracy. Quality is not optional, it's our standard. We test beyond industry requirements. Drop test verified from second floor and third floor heights. Your drums survive the toughest handling conditions. Trusted by clients in 30+ countries. See our drums in action, from chemical plants to food processing facilities. Machine-Huan, your reliable partner for plastic containers. Contact us today for a free sample and factory tour.